Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's MGBL, back at you with another video. I hope you've been enjoying the content I've been putting out lately. Every week I'm uploading something, whether it's an unboxing, which talking about unboxings, I still got to do those. But anyways, just me talking. Hopefully you're learning stuff. Maybe you want to start your own YouTube channel, be motivated. So hopefully it's, I'm inspiring you guys to that. So anyways, today I want to announce my 3-part video series. So one is going to be me unboxing all the upgrades I'm going to be doing to my MacBook Pro mid-2012. If you've been keeping up with my channel for the last month, you notice I bought a 2012 MacBook Pro. I did a review on it, did some reactions. So now I'm going to maximize everything I can on it and just maximize performance because I'm impressed with the performance of an 11-year-old device. So let's upgrade it and see what it can be. So in the first time, if you watched my first video, or second, can't remember, I got RAM. So this is 2 sticks of 8GB DDR3 1600 megahertz RAM, as you can read right there. Definitely recommend it if you have any old MacBook. Just maximize the RAM. It will help you in the long run. So that's one. And this, as if you can tell by the picture, this is the battery. Now this only has about 600 cycles, so it's not bad, but if I'm going to be opening this thing, might as well just swap the battery. So let's get on with this unboxing here. Shouldn't be that bad. Some unboxing I've been doing lately have been so crazy. The bubble wrap and stuff, like, oh my god. I can't even comprehend the facts that people put so much time in wrapping their devices. Okay, get that pretty good. Okay, so here's the first unboxing we're doing. All right, so let's put that to the side. Okay, so we have iPro Power replacement battery. So I got this off Amazon for cheap, 40 bucks. I'm gonna put it in my MacBook. Hopefully it fits, but yeah, should be good. Let's open this up and take a look at it. It's so easy to open, look. Oh my god, look, they give you the tools as well. But if you guys already noticed, look what I got there. I got a kit, so I'm ready to do this, but it's good to have some extra screwdrivers. Not complaining. Not bad. Okay. So, yeah, you got your styrofoam unboxing, yada, yada. Okay, so this. Be very careful when you open this. Oh, there's a little instruction pad, too. I'll take a look at it later, but right now we're doing this unboxing, so that's the box that comes in. Okay. Gel. You want some? No, I'm kidding. All right. So that's the battery roughly. I'm going to unwrap this in my next video when I'm doing this MacBook. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's roughly the battery. I'm going to keep it in the protective casing for now. But yeah, that's the battery, brand new. So we're going to put that in this. Okay. Next is the SSD. Let's get this open. And we'll be on our way. Okay, so if you guys don't know, usually depending on the configuration you got back then, you either got an HDD hard disk drive, or you can upgrade to a solid state drive depending on the model year. So I went with these guys, Crucial, a very well-known brand for upgrading these types of hard drives. Now, 80 bucks, it's 1 terabyte. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you're gonna essentially need one of these to upgrade this, so just keep that in mind. A little backstory on my MacBook. It did come with 8GB of RAM, and it did come with a 500GB Kingston solid SSD, but I'm gonna dual boot Windows and I need more space, so I'm just gonna rip the old one out and I'm gonna put this one in, and I should see some performance gains because this version of MacBook supports SATA 3GB and it'll run increasingly better. Now, some people, they want to take out the disk drive and put 2 of these. I personally don't see a point in doing it. What makes this thing unique is that the fact that it has a disk drive, if you're one of those audiophiles, that discs, like an SD card, is always going to have better quality than like Bluetooth streaming or whatever. It's just common knowledge. It's proven. If you don't believe me, look it up on YouTube. So some people might actually want to watch DVDs or burn discs, like old school. So that's why I kept it in here, because I'm going to use it, right? But yeah, this is pretty much what I will be doing. So let's zoom in a little bit and see what we're dealing with here. All right. All right, so you can see all of this is going into here, and it's going to be a really cool project. I'll tell you guys more about my history with these, why I like doing it in my other video. So just keep that in mind. But this is part 1, so stay tuned for the next one. I will be filming it soon. But yeah, just remember, any unibody MacBook from 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12, these 3 upgrades will change this device forever. But then some of them have crippling graphic issues, but that's another video. But yeah, all right, guys, stay safe. I'm going to get busy opening this, and that's how it is. All right, guys, peace.